Hello everyone, now we are starting the new chapter 5. The 5.1 is nth roots and rational exponents. So real nth root of a in which n is an integer. Let n be integer and it is greater than 1, strictly greater than 1, and a is any real number. A is a real number. Then you have two choices. Either n can be even or n can be odd. N is even integer or n is odd integer. First case, as we are considering a is a real number. So if a is less than 0, in this case we have no real nth root. No real nth root. If a is 0, then we know that nth root of 0 is 0. If a is greater than 1, then nth root of a and n is even. You have it two answers, plus minus a power 1 by n. And another case when n is odd. And then the first case when a is less than 0. In this case you have a one root that can be written as a power 1 by n. Second, if a is 0, nth root of 0 is 0. If a is greater than 0, not greater than 1, greater than 0. In this case, here it's also n is greater than 0, not greater than 1, it's greater than 0. Okay, so nth root of a and a is greater than 0, so your answer is a power 1 by n. There will be only single answer, not double answer. Double answer in the case of when n is even. Okay. Next. So we have to calculate for the indicated real roots for a. A is given as a minus 260. N is 3. So basically it's a cube root of minus 260. I can rewrite it as minus 216 to the power 1 by 3. What's that? It is a minus 6 to the power 3 to the whole power 1 by 3. And it cancels. You left with negative 6. Okay. Next. If n is 4, a is 81. So it's a fourth root of 81, which is 81 to the power 1 by 4. Because n is 4 and that is an even number, you have it two answers. 81 can be written as a 3 power 4 outside 1 by 4. It's cancelled, so you left with only plus minus 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Next. Next we have rational exponent. Rational exponent means when the power, a power is a rational number, m over n. I can write it as a power 1 by n, nth root, and then whole power m. Or otherwise you can also write in this way, nth root of a to the whole power m. Make sure your a value is negative or positive according to the n, right? Because we know that we cannot calculate if n is even and a is negative number. We cannot calculate eventh root of a negative number. Okay? So we can start with this question. Evaluate expression 16 to the power 3 by 2. I can write 16 to the power 1 by 2 and the whole power 3. 16 is 4 square and the whole 1 by 2 and the power 3. 2 and 2 2 cancel, 4 power 3. It's 64. Your answer is 64. Okay? See this. 32 to the power negative 3 by 5. Whenever the power is negative, we have to shift it down. It's like a power negative n. It means 1 over a power n. So I can write 1 over 32 to the power 3 by 5. I can rewrite using this rational exponent 32 to the power 1 by 5 and whole power 3. What is 32? 32 is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 and the whole power 1 by 5 and the power 3. This 5 and this 5 cancel. You left with 1 over 2 power 3 which is 1 over 8. Okay, so we calculate up to this. Next, so solve the expression using a calculator. Round your answer to the 2 decimal place. Okay, let's solve the A part. It says 9 to the power 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 9 to the power 1 by 5. The answer is 1.5518. And it says you have to round your answer up to 2 decimal place. After 2 decimals, you have a 1. And it will be 1.55. So approximately your answer will be 1.55. If you calculate this, what is that? 7 power 1 by 4 and then whole power 3. See this. 1 by 4, then power is 3. So I'm getting 4.3035 and we have to round off. The third number is less than 5, so we cannot shift this number 1 here. So only 4.30, approximately 4.30. This you can also directly calculate 12 to the power 3 by 8. I'm getting 2.53. Here, the third digit is 9, which is greater than 5 or equal to 5, greater than equal to 5. So this number shifted here. One digit shift here. It will be 2.54. So approximately 2.54 is the answer. Okay. Next, solve the equation using nth root. We have to use nth root. First, if I solve a part, 4x power 5 is equals to 128. I divide by 4 both sides. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. X power 5 is 32. Taking both side power 1 by 5. Both side taking power 1 by 5. What is 32? 32 is 2 power 5. To the whole power 1 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel, 2 left. Okay, so answer is 2 in this case. B part, x minus 3 to the power 4 is 21. And we learned that if we are removing the even power, there will be two answers. One is a positive, one is negative. X minus 3 is equals to 4th root of 21, but in a plus and negative. I want only x. Add 3 both sides. X equals to 3 plus minus 4th root of 21. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. A hospital purchases an ultrasound machine for $50,000. The hospital expects the useful life for the machine to be 10 years, at which time its value will be depreciated to $8,000. So from 50,000, it depreciated to 8,000. The hospital uses the declining balanced method for depreciating. So they use this method. S is the depreciated time. So what will depreciated value? C is the cost value. And N is the number of years. It's a useful time, useful life. So substitute R is equals to 1 minus 8,000 over 50,000 to the power 1 over 10. 3 zeros, 3 zero cancel. R is equals to 1 over 8 over 50 to the power 1 by 10. 1 minus 8 over 50 to the power 1 by 10. So you are getting 0.167. That's approximately 0.167. So this is the depreciating rate. If we calculate in a percentage, so depreciating rate is 16.7% every year. Okay, so we have done up to this. I hope you understand. 5.1 is completed. We will continue in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.